Hello and welcome to Epic the Irish Immigration Museum. Today we are going to be making a St. Brigid's cross out of paper. This is one of the most common traditions of St. Brigid's Day. To make this cross, you are going to need some sheets of paper or card in different colours, some glue, scissors, a ruler, a pencil, and anything else that you would like to decorate your cross with. For the first step, you're going to grab your ruler. So you're going to mark at each centimetre across the top and the bottom of your sheets of paper, and then you're going to use your ruler to join them. Finally, you cut out the strips. Now fold all your strips of paper in half. Hold the first piece of paper with the open part facing upwards. Then interlock the second strip to make an L shape, making sure to feed the bottom of the second strip of paper through the middle of the first strip. Holding the part where the strips intersect, turn them 90 degrees or one right angle to the left. Repeat these steps, placing each new strip around the strip that came before. You can help to keep your strips of paper together by gluing them as you go along. Once you're happy with your cross, you can cut the ends to make them all unified. Once you have completed 4 strips, you'll have your basic cross shape. And you can alternate colours to create a beautiful, colourful, unique cross of your choosing. We hope you enjoyed making your contemporary St. Brigid's Day cross. We have lots more on offer at Epic the Irish Immigration Museum, such as workshops and history at home packs. You'll find a link in the video description below. Slán agus beannacht.